Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see a basic overview of Google Sheet PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So this is a Google Sheet overview. So the Google Sheet overview will see, you can see this is a sheet. So this is here you can see the templates, and here the project file you have been done before. You can just change it like this, and you can also change the option of latest opened by, modified by me, and last modified it, and title. Here this is a folder, and just clicking this on the blank document you can just enter into the sheet, and here you can see the menu is on the top called file, edit and view section, insert, format, data, tools, extension and help. So in insert section you can just insert charts, images, drawing, function and links, and also checkbox, drop down menus and emojis, smart chips, like lot of things are here. And defaultly you can see this bar have every tools that you can see here. It's to have important tools like text formatting options, and also alignment options, and the link, inserting the link, and inserting the chart, and creating the filters, and also the formula like functions. So here you can see how many sheets, and you can see the sheet name and count. So this is the basic overview of the Google Sheet PC web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.